Like challenges. Mama, they me.
Which challenges have you faced?
They're not danger, God day. Again, condoms.
Again, what?
Condoms. Abakyala batukwata Chambuliwa Kalongo.
Ate ogenda tuula wa? Ogenda tuula wa? Ngende. Oyagala katebe?
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre.
Neta.
Le monde part en couille.
Ani amumye.
Osudde sente zo.
My name is Kamagwanda. I'm the first of this channel. Nenga mwebala nnyo subscribinga, mwebala nnyo kulikinga, mwebala nnyo kusharinga, mbalaba nnyo. Mbagala nnyo.
How did you come?
I came using foot.
From where?
I'm from Chambuliwa Kalongo. Yeah, akala mateno kaunga.
What challenges did you face when they were welcome?
Dibanyo oli serebu. Tachimanyi ekyo? Gwe oli serebu. Wazze kulama. Waera kuba nze. Toduka. Bakuyisani. Tebaleko serebu. Lwaki ngulya ice cream? Tuula. Interview gwawo mangu. Nyawo gwani? Olina otegeera, tandika, ebyo sooka obireke. Tebaleko nyawo. Bakuyisani.
Ahulo oyagala sente. Mamo.
So when I did not come, again. Hey, once it's like, don't get look to me now. It's so well. It's so well. Come on, man. It's so well. Somebody gets it and you go, yeah, because why I know it. It's so well. Ba, iso babe. Anyaganye. Hey, manega na mole. Sumaina tebo. Nenga Roma na mola. Hayo gens.
Wafunidde no dimpo.
Mona kenze no. Nzeno ko gas. Aw rasta balunzi mwalenga na shimichira za mwana. Sipemeka kubanga shiba wanange shiba nine na
mwana embili zikoze wombi sibezizo
rabadaba style abulamuza byomboza ku mnombelega zina banange njagala omugo beta shiba kalonji swag mama queen come up to me the cop netumira omuyimbi ngaye mutono tawo manina rose mas bana benga bana big up. Thank you. Na matsovo na bukela I just come. Lube. Matsovu. Lubega. Muonge. Kabito. Kabito. Amenga bitsuba tunala kasuzandi shi. Tunala kumwetango. Sigade na ukajeska emasaka cham. Yo.
Big up.
Oh. Nsumida bechamliwa bonna. Nintumira abenga bibonna. Ngoma yenze na bukela Jessica Kasita. Nganedlanga bi.
Akachi?
Akambira Jerengesa.
How did you come?
I came using foot.
From where?
I'm from Chambuliwa Kalongo. Yeah, akala mateno kaunga.
What challenges did you face when they were welcome?
The challenges. Yeah, as you observe, you're manage. What have like change? What? Down. So black trail is in Amugondo. security guards. But the Europeans, all the Britishins, all the Abazungu, they say, nobody can respect you over dictionary, Egamba. Nobody can respect you if you can't respect yourself. Mbuzaya kalala.
Atakonze nkakubuziza.
Speech is boring. Atakalala. Silence is boring. Silence is the best way for revenge. No man is an island. Think you like go taking it. To the name of no Miss Aji.
Sabula.
Usimbom pira gote. Akasawe bakasaye konna obufum toto. Ataba masaka noka mwata kumfu. Wano zendi serebu bamkwatira ko ngata.
Munaendeka agerye gatoli.
Anti bamwalirira nga
nedda mama. Kati awo wa red carpet.
Njala kugira. Wala nyaduka zaweranzi.
Yegwe.
Jose kanyida la febo. Jose kachi. Oja kumyenga gira kubi.
Which challenges have you faced ever since you came to Namibia?
Hungry. Second, poverty. Third, lacking condoms.
Lacking what?
Condoms. Yeah. As you observe, you're banana. We have latrines.
What?
They dump. So black toilets in Namugondo. Security guards. But I have a child. I want to quiet. And she had what next years. But the toilets in Chidam. I once got up one Shiba Kalonji to supply Shiba pipes everywhere in every clinic. So we are lacking. Those are most even soap. You have soap.
There is no soap.
And then liquid soap.
You want Shiba
condoms.
to give what?
Yeah, to Namugongo. Secondary, give water for. What is water? Shiba. Yeah, so
This is what?
it's a Shiba Kalonji
Eh.
water.
So come like a Shiba.
Shiba. Katuya Muchiraba.
When I get to your Shiba.
Abadata.
Anyway. Shiba no kuli kweli nyayo mukwana.
So Shiba Kalaga Kweta Gamana. My name is Sofna Gajus Kakasito. I'm from Kalagucha Muliba. It's on a Red Cross. Nina Rose. Katubabi. Katubabi. Oh no. Hi.
Kozi oviirako wa?
Mana Uganda nsima ze sina sente nzira musaba nawabo okwata nze tonkwata ndi mulalu kwanonda bicupa bigirasi basase bichi
Naye ng'olina obuwoowo munda gwalonda obucupa.
anti munaiva bakugasi
Mama.
yanenga
Naye twotugatta tuliko abigina twasomye. Bakuwadde buwi.
kiba kya mukama
Amiina.
abasaba mbuza byombuza
Mbadde nanti nkubuuza gy'oviira watuuse otya wano.
ayinza gange yakola nesipapirako kola nze yalangamba abayimbi nga boze ojja okwegala okuwangula enensi nze kutuuka ku kyendi koze najja ntambuza nge from Kyamuliba Kalundu district up to Lukaya nesoka ne stage naso kati nesoka nembeera era binkiddamu
Is it for real?
reality.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the Queen Kamala Shiba. Summary scores tell of chilling in a combias. I'm being called.
Bizibu ki bwe wasanga?
Okwatibwa, okusonebwa, bwennyinyaze, n'abantu beerukaya balina empisa embi, like era okunkuba. Abantu bakyamuliiba. Nze boyfriend yange Bibo kankulangire, Bibo olingamba, ekera okola ki? Njagala nkulage nze Bibo nakukyawa nafunye owakabi. Lefosa nazikosechi.
Wazivudde mate wafuuse seereeyo.
Uyimbiramu.
Nyimbiramu.
Nobody call town. Christian inside the Namugonga arrived today. So this is my first time to come here.
How did you come?
I came using food.
From where?
From Chamuli wa Kalongo. Yeah, Akala Mateno Kaunga.
What challenges did you face when they were welcoming?
The challenges, they fucked me. Mama, they fucked me. They're not danger got there. Yeah, but nabakumengu de bangambye. You know mine come and tukubuda mieko. Mwana mgwe, they fucked me.
Come again, they what?
They fucked me. I shouted even though it was a policeman. You know what a policeman did? No way. You shout loudly. You're not healing you. He they fucked me. That's what.